They are annoying. Like, I cannot, I cannot stand fruit flies. And this is home, y'all. I'm missing my stinker butt. I miss my stinker butt. I'm missing my stinker butt. My baby is home. And I miss my, y'all see I put a scarf on my head. Do try it out, y'all. Your girl gonna be up to no good.
Subscribe to something. But please subscribe. I want 1 million subscribers. Mommy, how much?
And what do you say? Like, comment.
Like, comment, subscribe this video.
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is everything.
I'm sorry. Oh, you're fine. You fine.
You're bad in a life, man. Go on with it, go on with it. Do us. So we are coming here with a force, yeah. Blessing the reaper with voicing on too. Oh, in a rise and boast. Yeah, we give thanks like we need it the most. We have to give thanks like we really supposed to be thankful. Blessings all from the life, man. But thank God for the journey, because of the past. Gratitude is a must. Blessings all from the right hand.
You gonna need help getting out? I got an earphone. You need help getting out?
Pick one.
Ooh, ain't that nice? Okay, what's that one? All right, we need to pick some big numbers. Try to pick in the middle. Oh, damn. Can you put it back? Yeah, one more. 2. Oh.
Grab 2 more ducks.
Oh.
I did it for them too.
Thank you.
You
want me to pick one?
1s, 2s, 4s, 12s, and 20s.
I ain't saying that then.
Oh.
Almost got more ones than anything then.
Yeah.
Got 1,
All them ones and
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm adding 1 point to you guys.
Thank you.
All right. So you can get either a turtle or a dog.
Which one?
A dog?
I knew it. I knew it.
you can get the turtle.
You want the turtle? He want the dog. Let him get the dog. Say thank you. Thank
You're welcome. You
you.
guys have a good one.
You too. They girls. The speaker. No, they answered to it. I'm coming. You're not gonna let them down? Okay. You are. Pretty flowers. What's wrong with him? Boy, to my legs. I want to go home. Huh? What you mean? Excuse me. Oh, that white thing? Come here, baby. Get that thing. Okay. Damn bee. A bee. I don't think my phone's zooming in. It's something in the water, but the birds.
I think it's a turtle.
Yeah. Branch tree. My daddy made me get on this before too, and I thought I about lost my mind. This. That daggone seat, it's like a chainsaw thing. It feel like it's close to your head. Unless they changed it. Come on, baby. She's probably texting you now. Come on, Mari. You have to stay up here with me. Just take a picture. Stand over there real quick. Mari, look at me. Look at crazy. He a big old fan. That feel real good. Look who up there. Honey. Too bad. Too bad. Let's go. I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love. It's hot. You gotta shoot the red spot, baby. I think that's as far as it go, Ma. That's as far as it go. Oh.
Alrighty, Raven flying Raven. So, no, that's how it goes. That's only how it goes. It's not supposed to go too high.
Alright, let's go.
Alright, so what you're going to have to do, you're going to have to make sure that you aim for the circle in the middle of the barrel that says shoot here.
Hold the trigger.
While hitting that barrel portion, you're going to have to make sure that your Raven rises to the top. The first Raven that rises to the top wins the prize. Are my contestants ready?
Yes.
I only heard one person.
Yes.
Are my contestants ready?
Yes.
Get ready. Aim. Fire. And the race is off. As we got number 10 on the front, followed by number 1 and number 7 and number 8. And the winner is number 10.
I don't mean no harm, but my water was spitting. My water was spitting.
Alright, so you can win one of these prizes is the top prizes that you get.
I want you to pick your prize.
Oh.
Huh? No, you can go for the ones up on the second shelf. Ask for the ones on the second shelf. Which one?
The red and black one? The red or the red and black one?
Knuckles. Alright. Congratulations.
Say thank you. Say thank you. Thank y'all. Oh, thank you. Yes, thank you. I asked you that. You want to trade that one? Come on. Sir, he said he meant to tell you the red and black one. Is that okay? Yes. Where he go?
I thought you said red.
It's all right.
There you go.
Thank you. Yes.
Okay.
Come on. You gotta open your mouth, boo boo.
I'm so happy.
You got your phone?
Mommy, I'm so happy that you let me put that.
Yes. But mine was spitting.
Mom, did I win?
Yeah, no, there's number 10 here. But mine was, that's what I'm saying, they might have to fix it. Mine was really spitting. After we eat, we can go do bumper cars, okay? Y'all, we getting ready to ride these bumper cars. Look, Mar. Yeah.
We gonna beat all of them. Who do you want to go?
I'm ready to ride.
Who do you want to go bump first?
I don't know. I thought you said you just wanted to ride. You want to go bump people? Oh, okay.
I want to bump a red.
We gonna see. Y'all, we can squish this little car.
That's her.
The car about to start. Start. Hold on. Go, push the pedal. Got it? Push the pedal. Push the pedal. Alright, push the pedal. Push it. Push it. There you go. We ain't getting stuck in the traffic. Come on, push the pedal. Push it.
Can you do it?
I can't. You should have told me sit on that side. Push the pedal. Mari, you're not. Push the pedal. Thank you. Let's go here. Go here. Push it. Push the pedal. You're not pushing it. Somebody lost their glasses. Wait. Stop, Mari. I don't know who lost them. I'll give it to him. Go ahead. I don't know whose glasses these are.
Let's give it to somebody.
I don't know. See anybody? Need like a little person glasses. Come on, drive. Come on. Drive. Oh, you can't drive. Go ahead. Push the button. Why you keep turning that way?
No, when you drive.
Thank you, because you can't drive.
I want to bump it to somebody.
That was it. I'm not riding with you. You can't drive.
What do you do? I'm happy that you say everything I do is for my
Go back and
anything I
take
do when you talk, I go do.
Come on.
Me, I know this, me, another girl from my
Hold on, let me give her these.
Loving you, like my ritual.
These are on the ground. You're welcome. Y'all, that was a straight winner. Mari can't drive. Come on. I'm gonna let you drive by yourself next time. Did you? Thank you. Thank you. Mari. We're going back on again. Does he want to drive? Huh? He can't drive. Huh? Go ahead. I'm coming. Hold on. I'm coming, Mari. Oh, wait. Am I going to be able to get on? Y'all, we getting on again. Oh. Put it on. You got to put both of these on. You want me to get in? Or you want me to ride your own? Okay. No, put it on this side. Take your arm out. Put it on this side. Okay. Yes. Okay. All right, sir. Here, you gotta get the wheel. Huh? Oh, Lord, I feel like a fat girl. I don't know where else I'm gonna feel. I am. Okay. Second round. Let's see y'all. Mari driving.
Yeah. And you pushing.
I'm pressing the wheel. We're gonna see how this goes. Come on. We stuck. We stuck.
Mommy, let me drive.
We'll drive it. Drive. Turn. My thing is on there. You gotta turn the wheel a certain way. These raggedy cars. It's these cars.
Okay, I know the drive.
Go get her.
Go.
Come on. Boom. These wheels is terrible. Come on. Something's sparking. Turn the wheel, Mike. It's a certain way you gotta turn the wheels. Move your hands, man. It's already stopped now. These things. Yeah, it's crazy. Oh shoot. This is different stuff. Think about it. Oh, I like them up there. The chain. You know, book bags is cute. Oh, they got Ouija earrings. Look, it's the guy off of the night before Christmas. It's different. Huh? Oh, look at the eyeball ring, Mar. Scary looking. But you want the dude with this chainsaw head. I don't know, we been on that phone. You the one who could.
Twist my fingers up on a bang on him. Lele oh, lele oh. Tobalo ko macho. Tobalo mako macho. Nobody know tomorrow. Choro ka choro. And if a boy feel macho, make him look red like a tomato. If you're not
we about to get on the carousel. Huh? What's wrong? We're about to get on the carousel now. It's closed. Oh, they closed anyway. My mama back there. Oh, you better make sure they don't fall off. Ready? Alright, y'all. Let's start. Bye. Bye.
I don't want pull no trigger. I just want me, cause I can play. I don't want no wahala, no wahala, no wahala, no wahala, no wahala, no wahala. The last time that I checked.
Look at my big boy getting on there by himself. Say, hey, Maury. Keep your hands out your mouth.
I'm fast from a day job, running fast from the way it was. Jump quick to the paycheck, running back to the strip club. I'm never going back, never going back. No, you can't make me. Never going back, never going back. They never take me. I paid enough of petty dues. I put enough of shitty news. I had a thing for dirty shoes since I was 10. Love dirty men alike. Ooh.
You got a long way to go. You gonna go? Better make up your mind. Go ahead. You can do it. You got it. I can't help you. You better turn back around if you ain't gonna go. You got it though, boo. Just keep holding on. There you go. Where you at, Stink? Come on. You got it. And then you gonna come back down, or you got? Or you gonna go that way? It's okay. Go ahead. You okay, Maury? Go ahead. Hold on to the neck. You got it, baby. Go ahead. Mari, it's okay. Mari. They jumping, making it worse. Mari, come on, baby. Oh, he down them damn steps already. He can come up. He gotta come down the steps. He was right there, but he went back up. Yeah. Mari. Where you going? Maury, to the treehouse. Come up here first. Yes. Just do the treehouse first. Hold on. I said the treehouse. And then you come back down and do that. dinosaur? Oh, Lord.
Watch the breakdown.
Come here. Where you going? You gonna go in there? Huh? Whew. Now I'm too high. Alright. I'm done. Whew. Be careful. Oh, Lord Jesus. I need to see. Mommy and others right here. Now what's right there? Alright, Maya, I ain't doing all that jumping. I'll meet you on the other side. Y'all, he is giving me my workout today.